She was looking at him steadily. He, however, found it difficult to look back at her. It was like gazing into a brilliant light.
Ginny, what is it? I was only wondering when Harry got here.
Are you not currently dating Dean Thomas?
It's none of your business.
What do you suppose Dean sees you, Ginny?
I don't know. She's smart, funny, attractive. I prepared some concoctions this morning. Any ideas what these might be?
The most powerful love potion in the world. It's rumoured to smell differently to each person according to what attracts them.
All of a sudden, what was that flowery smell he had picked up in Slughorn's dungeon? But he looked round and saw that Ginny had joined them. Harry could not help himself talking to Ginny, laughing with her, walking back from practice with her.
So how was it then? Your dinner party?
Pretty boring, actually. Though I think Harry enjoyed dessert. Harry.
I'm not coming back. I've got to finish whatever Dumbledore started. I don't know where that'll lead me.
And he knew that at that moment they understood each other perfectly.